Hi, it's Julie. Welcome to my channel. I am scrapping happy. I have a flip through of my latest junk journal. This is a kit from Nevermore Creations 17, Lindsay Zenor. It's Lavender and Lace, and it is a perfect companion for her recent Pretty in Purple. And I am looking very forward to doing one with both kits because purple is my favorite color. Anyway, I wanted to just do a quick flip through of this, and I'm not sure if you can tell, but the cover is an iridescent white cardstock, and it is absolutely gorgeous. But I'm looking, and I'm not sure if you can tell that or not. Anyway, everything in here is either from the kit, my stash, or Avalon Rose, which is going to be all the background pages. And I didn't put anything here because that's so pretty to me. I hope you can see the shimmer. But I'll just do a real quick one because I know you got stuff to do. This I just cut out of a magazine. Isn't that pretty? It was a wall, which I love, and I would love to have that backsplash in my kitchen. So I may be whining for that soon. And here's what I mean by the background pages. They're so pretty and perfect with this. Avalon Rose is the name of the shop. I think it's, I'll link it. I won't think, I'll just link it. And I have some piece of wallpaper there. This is a bunch of tabs, but I thought it looked really cute all together, like as a journaling card. So you could either cut them up and use them or leave it as is. The papered sole, I think, is where I got the gold doily. And they're pretty. And it goes so well. Kit. Just about everything is from the kit. These, look at that. Can you see the little purple jewels? I love that. And it matches this. I think it's really pretty. Some mulberry paper. And this is interesting. I stumbled across these the other day in my stash also. They're clear envelopes. I'm not sure what you would really do with them. I can't imagine mailing something in a clear envelope, but I put fabric on the back and then a card on the inside, and then you can also put stuff in or take stuff out. Isn't that pretty? I love it. And here's the back side of the envelope, the flap. I just put washi tape on both sides so it would be pretty. Look at this. That is so cool. It's a piece of wallpaper, but it's got, let's just call it texture. Something in there. From the kit, the little pocket. I love this, and it looks like it's got ribbon wrapped around. I love that. Oops. Envelope, and look at this pretty little, it's like a brooch. I love that. Another envelope and a crocheted flower. Pocket. Gorgeous. There's a big piece of that wall magazine page. The wall in the kitchen of that magazine. I think it'd look good in my house. Just saying. And I love this. The colors are perfect. And then this is a big embellishment envelope. Let's see, a stuffed envelope, I think is what it was called, on the 12 Days of Christmas on Friendly Junk Journal people. we did these tutorials for this, and I put it in here, trimmed it down a little, and just put all the leftover, and then some extras too, things from the kit in there, because it's not highly decorated, but I didn't think it really needed it because it's the pages are so pretty. But here's some extra stuff, and a boho bead I made all by myself, and this is from the kit, and then dangling beads from the center, which can be tied in a bow or cut off, or you know, whatever. But this is Lavender and Lace. It'll be in my shop. And thank you, Lindsay. It's gorgeous. The kit is fabulous. So I hope y'all have a good day. Thank you.